Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing some exciting faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can start right now, regardless of your skills or experience. Beauty of these ideas is that you don't have to show your face and you don't need to be an expert in any specific field. Just a bit of creativity and a willingness to learn. Let's kick things off with the first idea, a faceless motivation channel. This niche is booming. You can create videos featuring inspiring quotes, uplifting stories, or motivational speeches. You don't need to film anything, just use stock footage or royalty-free images paired with an AI-generated voiceover or your own voice. You can gather quotes from famous personalities or compile success stories that resonate with your audience. For instance, take a look at channels like Motiversity. They have millions of views and they primarily rely on powerful visuals and motivational audio to inspire viewers. To create your videos, simply gather your content, use tools like Canva for visuals, and edit everything together with software like iMovie or Filmora. The second idea is a faceless animation channel. If you have some creativity, you can make animated videos that entertain or educate. This could range from explaining complex concepts like science or history to creating funny animations that tell a story. You don't need to be a professional animator. Platforms like Vyond and Animaker allow you to create animations easily, even if you're a complete beginner. Just choose your characters, write your script, and let the software do the rest. Plus, there are tons of tutorials online to help you get started. Next up is a faceless recipe channel. If you love cooking but don't want to appear on camera, this is the perfect niche for you. You can create recipe videos using voiceovers to explain the steps while showing the food preparation process. Take a look at channels like Tasty. They excel at creating visually appealing cooking videos without showing faces. You can film your cooking process from different angles or use stock footage of meals while also providing tips and tricks for your viewers. There are countless recipe ideas out there, so you'll never run out of content. Now let's discuss the fourth idea, a faceless gaming channel. This niche has exploded in popularity and you don't even need to be a pro gamer to start. You can create gameplay commentary, game reviews, or tips and tricks videos using screen recording software. To create your content, record your gameplay sessions using software like OBS Studio or Bandicam, then overlay your voice to explain strategies or share funny moments. Channels like Jacksepticeye and Markiplier have proven that engaging commentary can draw viewers in even when you don't show your face. Finally, consider starting a faceless dye or craft channel. This is another fantastic niche where you can showcase various projects without needing to show yourself. You can create videos demonstrating how to make home decor, crafts, or upcycled items. You can either film your hands working on the projects or compile a slideshow of images showing the steps. With channels like 5-minute crafts gaining millions of views, there's clearly a demand for dye content. So there you have it, 5 amazing faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can dive into today. Remember, the key is to focus on providing value and engaging your audience, regardless of whether you're in front of the camera or not. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments which idea you're excited to try and share your thoughts or questions below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.